Hello friends, this will be my first shoot. Okay, I will be speaking on the net first time in my whole life, and this is really tough for me. I don't know why I can speak, but yeah, this is tough. Okay, and doing every single thing every day, that's quite boring. That's very cool thing. Okay, if you can do every boring thing what you have been doing daily, that brings out the best in you. So make every day like it's your first day. Okay, so you're starting from today. Next day when you come on the ground, make that day you're starting from today. That's how you will trust yourself, you will build yourself. And it's not like show on that day. Okay, the best thing is coming and showing on that day, every day, every single day. Like for me also, I just don't want to do this shit. Okay, like for me it was never okay.
I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even
regular basis. But if I can do this daily for 20 days straight, you can also do this. I'm no different. I may be very much lower with willpower and everything with the average human being, but if I'm doing this, I trust you guys, you can also do it. This is nothing for me. Like, I don't want to tell anybody what they should do, but this is, if a human like me can do, then anybody can do this. Okay, this is not shitty thing. Everybody can do this. And for me it was very tough. Okay, like 4 days, they are past keep haunting you, like those highs keep haunting you, and you want to have just fun every fucking time. But yeah, this is also fun. You know, this is cool. Doing that stupid thing daily is cool, and doing shitty things daily, that's very cool. Okay, just keep doing it, my friends. Just keep doing it. Let's do it together. I will be always there. Let's do it together, guys. Bye.